If you are looking for a way to block websites on your Android device, whether to protect your kids from inappropriate content or to stay focused during work, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how you can block websites on Android. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks. Now let's get started with the steps. Go to the Play Store and download the Block Site app. Once it's downloaded, allow for the necessary permissions. After that, tap on plus icon to add a website you want to block. Type in the keyword or website name you wish to block. Select the site and then tap on Done to save your changes. And just like that, the website will be completely blocked on your Android phone. If you want to block websites on Windows and iPhone, you can watch this video. I'll also add the link in the description for your easy access. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.